Did you know that WhatsApp business has over 2 billion users worldwide? That's a very vast pool of potential customers just wanting to engage with your brand. By mastering this marketing course of WhatsApp marketing and automation by iJaipuria, you will gain a competitive edge in today's digital landscape. Whether you are a marketing professional, a small business owner, or a social media manager, this course is specifically tailored to meet your unique needs and goals. With our easy to follow, step-by-step instructions and practical exercises, you will quickly become a WhatsApp marketing maestro. You will have access to our comprehensive learning material, practical exercises, and supportive community to enhance your learning experience. From understanding the power of WhatsApp and mastering advanced automation techniques, our carefully crafted curriculum covers all the essential marketing and values around it. You will gain a lot of valuable insights into compliance guidelines, learn how to personalize your messages, and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Join our WhatsApp marketing and automation course today and unlock the power of game-changing platform. See you on the other side. Ciao.